Hi friends, this is Kavya and welcome to my channel Famous Dishes. Today we'll be making a chicken starter called as chicken sticks. Let's check out the recipe. Let's take 500 grams of boneless chicken pieces, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 4 eggs, 1 lemon juice, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, some masalas, red chili powder, half tablespoon of garam masala, Kashmiri mirch powder and some haldi powder. Oil for cooking. Some wooden square sticks, you can get it in any of the provisional stores or supermarkets. Let's start with the recipe. Let's add ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, black pepper powder, all masalas. Add cumin seed as well. I forgot to mention that earlier. So half tablespoon of cumin seed you can add additionally. Some salt, lemon juice. Mix it very well. Once done, you can insert this in the square sticks one by one. 4 each is fine. Now let's freeze this for like half an hour in the freezer and then we'll take it out after half an hour. It's done. Now we'll have to start with the frying process. Let's take the eggs. Now whisk it well. Add salt and pepper powder. Whisk this very well. Now coat the chicken sticks with egg and deep fry it. Do this for every sticks. Keep it in a low flame and fry this until the chicken is done. This is done now. We'll remove this. Now you can serve this hot with nice pudina chutney. Hope you all like my recipe. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.